Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can stop message requests from showing up in your X direct messages like so. So if you went to more here and went to settings and privacy, you are going to go to the privacy and safety section and you're going to scroll down to direct messages. Then in the allow message requests from, instead of selecting everyone or verify users, select no one. And hopefully you won't have any more message requests. I think you do have to delete them first. Oh no, it's going to be just deleted. It's going to just be deleted from your messages like this. So that's how you can remove message requests from everybody so they can't DM you. But if you follow them, they'll still be able to message you, of course. But that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!